can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
She says, I was gonna drop this off. Can you tell him, can you just give to him, Mom?
Let me go get it real quick. I'll get it real quick.
Okay.
Mom!
Just say,
What's your name?
Auntie Nanette.
Nanette.
Huh?
Mom! Auntie Nanette is here. Auntie Nanette. Auntie Nanette is here.
Be! Oo, nag-drop lang ako ng ano. Eh, I'm not hindi na ako papasok. Pupunta ako sa kay Ate Glo.
Ikaw naman
Mabuti wala naman yun. Hindi ka umalis ngayon?
Kanina ka
Umalis ka. Buti na dyan.
lumalabas.
Malamig nga, kaya it's okay.
Kumusta ka si Kuya?
Ayun, kasama ko. Pupunta kami kay Naglo ngayon din lang kami.
Tumawag na kahapon.